Vian again and welcome back to the Overall Techniques Track Racing Championship. So these are my top 5 cars from my list. The first one, Porsche from Hot Wheels, and this is my best model. I don't know about you, but this is my one of the favorite models. So let's move on to the next car. This is the Speed Beast. This orange color Speed Beast hatchback is way more faster than the Porsche 8. And this white car is the Dodge. I think this is not faster than these both cars, Porsche and the Speed Beast. Yes, but this comes in my top 5 list. Now the next car, Driftsa. This is as fast as the Dodge, and as you know, this car weighs up to 97 grams. And yes, this comes in my top 5 list. Yes guys, this is from the racing track. It's a brand. So this car is a full plastic car. This part is metal, but the tires are plastic. But you'll not believe it when I say that this is my best car of all the other cars. So this is from my top 5 list. So let's go racing. Yes guys, I forgot to tell you that I created a new finish line, which is this. When the cars come from here, it gets untangled in this, and if not, they will crash with the balloons. So let's go racing. Yes guys, this is a little change that we'll select the best and the fastest car of these 4 cars, and whichever is the fastest will have a match with this track racing car. So it will be fun in this video. Hope you like, share and subscribe before seeing the match. So okay, let's start it. These 2 cars are waiting here. These 2 cars are on the track, and this track racing car is ready to play a race with the best car of these 4. So let's start. We'll take a better view. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, that was it. Where are you cars? Where are you? Oh yeah, here it is. The Porsche. Yeah. And this, the Driftsa. Okay, so what happened is the Driftsa won. Sorry, the Porsche won, and the Driftsa lost it. So we'll keep the winner car like this and the loser car backwards. So let's move on to the next one. The Dodge versus the Speed Beast. Speed Beast! Speed Beast! 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Oh wow, the Speed Beast won it. Yes, that was a clear look that the Speed Beast won it. So let's see. Let's take them out from this wiggly untangling thing. Yes. Okay guys, we found the top 2 best cars. So we'll make these 2 cars race. It will really be a great one. Wow, I'm excited. These cars are ready to race. So this track, now I'm sure that we will need a better and the best view. So 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god, I can't believe this. Oh no, the Speed Beast actually lost it. Oh my god, because of the some parts were loose, I think. Are you okay, driver? Whatever. This Porsche won it. Yes, I can't believe this, but I have to. So this Porsche will take on the racing track car. But if you see properly, the name is Power Racing. So now the new name, Power Racing. Woohoo! So these two cars are ready. The camera is ready to see who will win. But this car is still stuck here. So we'll remove this. Yes. So we'll zoom this because I'm again excited and again we'll need a better view. So 3, 2, 1, go man! Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm really sure that the Power Racing won it. You must be too. So, my new and the top 5 best car, which is not this wiggly, the Power Racing. Yes, but I have to say that this Porsche also did some work, a nice work. It came second. But this car is also nice. It came third. Okay. So here it is. My top 5 best car is Power Racing. My top 5 second best car is Porsche. And my top 5 third best car is the Speed Beast. So the Power Racing person would be proud that he is first in top 5 Power Racing. Okay, thank you for viewing this video, guys. Do like, share and subscribe this video, and do wait for my next video. Will come soon. Till then,